In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Security and Privacy. Then you need to scroll, click on More Privacy Settings, and scroll again to access Permission Manager. Now select any of your device's features to manage, tap on one of your apps and apply one of those options. Then go back. You can also select See All Permissions here and manage all of those only for a chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!